Hello there, beautiful people. I just wanted to share with you what I've been doing this week. And this week I've been organizing my refrigerator and I decorated the top of it. Do you guys decorate the top of your refrigerator? It says, "Give us this day our daily bread." Put it up on the little bench. Some little bread in a basket. It says, "Thankful." This says, "Bless this nest." And first off, let's start with the refrigerator. I bought these little containers at Costco. They're clear containers. And up at the top, I put the drinks that we drink, the sodas, and some grapes and strawberries, the nuts, croissants, and that is garlic, mint, little nuts back there. This is how I did the top shelf. I put my fruit, apples together in this container, and the oranges, the citrus fruit, lemons. I put the condiments in this little container, that way you can just kind of lift up the whole thing and bring it out if you have to. Some plums and nectarines. The taller things on this shelf, iced tea. Gotta have that sweet tea, huh? And over in the doors, I have my mustards. Grey Poupon. Excuse me, anyone? Grey Poupon. Do you remember that commercial? So I have my olives and pickles up here. And jellies down here. Creamers and milk there. And on this side, I have my apple juices and cranberry juice, coconut water, different things. And in this drawer, I put my cheeses and hummus, butter, and different things all together in this drawer. And in this one, I put my deli meats and sausages and bacon, things like that over here. A little ham there in the deli. Pepperoni. And when I first bought this refrigerator, I thought, this is too small. It doesn't have enough shelves, because these drawers were down on the bottom, sitting at the bottom. I thought, I'm going to lift those up, and so I'll have another shelf there. So I added these containers. Of course, everything's good on payday, right? Bought me some candies. And these are, see, they're just easy to pull out. Little condiments that we get. And some tortillas. And Dave's Killer Bread. That's good bread. I love to put that with the avocados and tomatoes. Avocado toast. But my eggs, they just fit down there. And of course my waters. So I thought it turned out pretty good. Just try to give you some ideals for not decorating, but organizing ideals for the fridge. And in this drawer, I have another big drawer that's part of the refrigerator. I added my vegetables over here on this side. English cucumber and let's see, got some olives there, and cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes are good on my avocado bread toast. And my spring mix is organic. And I put my mayonnaise in that because it was in a real big container to save space. And my avocados, they weren't ripe all the way, and they said that if you put them in the refrigerator, then, excuse me, they ripe up pretty quick. And I think they're called cherry cranberries back there, are good in salads. My to-go, what are the tapioca puddings and chocolate, and my peaches, applesauce, and my Greek yogurt. I got strawberry and chocolate. Put my little cranberry juices right there. So I mostly have my vegetables here, my little lunch things there. So mostly vegetables is here. And then in the freezer, I just kind of straightened it up, and this is cauliflower rice there. We take things out of the boxes because it makes more room in your freezer. So, gotta have that cherry pie, huh? Not pork. Lasagna is great for when you're in a pinch and you just need to put something in the oven. Gotta have that ice cream for hot days, huh? And the burritos. My husband has one of those every morning. And that's about it. Gotta have that okra, huh? I was wanting to read you this little thing that I have over here, this little scripture, Romans 12:12. Rejoice in hope and be patient in tribulations. Be consistent in prayer. That's for sure, huh? Got me some bananas. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I wasn't going to do a video. I've been doing them on Tuesdays and Fridays, but I wasn't going to do the one. I just wasn't feeling it. And then that scripture, I kept hearing, be faithful in little, and I'll make you ruler over much. And I thought, I might not have, 10,000 subscribers or whatever, but I need to be faithful to the ones that have subscribed to my channel. And I thank you for subscribing. It means a lot to me, and supporting my channel. But I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a week, and we'll see you again on Friday. So, talk to you later. Bye-bye.